Yes, maybe they are.
That one right there is so adorable. The
Yes,
little one.
it is.
She's gonna go like this. And it'll go scratch, scratch, let me go, human.
Very hard to see them, even when you're standing right
It's
by
amazing,
them.
even when you know they're there.
Yes. It's thick forest.
They're a little bit interesting.
Eucalypt forest here.
Beautiful.
Very windy today and not very warm. Not by Queensland standards,
Oh,
anyways.
God, no. But there's some habitat over there.
Uh-huh. They blend in so well. Amazing. They're all going down. Yeah. There they go. Yeah, okay, let's head down there. We'll follow them.